Hi, I'm Anna Hilberry with National Bank Financial. It's April 10th, 2019. Today I want to talk about Robo Advisor versus Real Human Advisor. A Robo Advisor is an online investment account. It's advertised as fast, quick, and easy. It takes 5 minutes to set up an account. You answer a quick questionnaire. This works together with an algorithm, and boom, you've got an investment account. Now, investors may ask themselves, why should I pay you, Miss Investment Advisor, more money for your service? And what value are you adding? Well, let me demonstrate the difference. Let's assume we have 2 clients. They're both clients of Robo Advisor. They are both in their 40s. They both have $1 million in their investment account. And according to the questionnaire they filled out, they both should have a simple growth portfolio. But let's take a closer look. Client number 1 is a high-powered executive. He has a very high level of income, and he actually has a tax problem. He needs someone to work with him to help mitigate the taxes he owes. In addition, he is going through a divorce. He needs someone to maybe work with his lawyer and give him some effective advice on how to split his assets with his ex-spouse and how to manage the ongoing spousal support payments in the future. In addition, he has a small child that he has to provide for. How can he work together with his ex-spouse in an effective way to manage their assets in a manner that they can support their child going to university later on? Now let's look at client number 2. This is a couple. They've recently sold their manufacturing company. All of their assets are inside a corporate account. They also have a tax problem, but it's a tax problem regarding how are their investments managed. In addition, they have an adult son who is a dependent. They need advice on how to manage and provide for him now and after they're gone. And so you see, Robo Advisor would give these clients a blanket approach and say there's a few similarities between both clients and we'll select a growth portfolio for you. When in fact, the client's experiences and life goals and challenges that they're facing are incredibly different, and they need very different specified specific advice for them. And so the value of advice that an investment advisor can provide to you is specific advice just for you. And so you have to ask yourself, what is the actual cost and value of ineffective generic advice when it's not really for you, it's for everybody else? I'm Anna Hilberry. It pays to be real.